Chama de imprensa. Show de vez.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well guys, last week news broke that TatuJafta is no more. The news broke last week and Loiso shared the news on social media revealing that TatuJafta went to hospital and didn't come back. It was shared that TatuJafta was not sick for a very long time, but he died after he was admitted in hospital on Thursday. Then he died on Saturday morning. Well guys, yesterday, which was Thursday, it was TatuJafta's memorial service. Jennifer Bala, who is Loiso Bala's wife, shared the clips of TatuJafta's memorial service. She also revealed that the funeral will be on Saturday. What they had on Thursday, it was the memorial service of the late TatuJafta. All I can say is that may his soul rest in peace, and my condolences to the Jafta and Bala family. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure that you do the right thing by commenting, sharing, subscribing, liking this video, and most importantly, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on anything that I am going to upload next on this channel. Bye.